Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vaishali and today I'm going to take you through sort of a DIY basket wall decor. I'm going to use this wall piece for my balcony, and this is kind of a really good way to fill a space that you're really unsure of what to put there, and very affordable, which is obviously a huge plus. Such baskets are really cheap, and usually you find these type of baskets in Indian homes, and I hope this helps bring a little bit of inspiration into your home decor. So let's get started. So as you see, the very first thing that you're obviously going to need is such basket, and other items are a bundle of jute thread, some decorative seashells, a paintbrush, some acrylic colors of your choice. I'm using bright colors, and scissors, and I'm going to use hot glue gun here. So here I am measuring the thread that will be attached in center like this. So here you make sure you keep extra thread at both the ends, as we need to make knots there. Now use any sharp object to attach this thread to basket like this. Here we'll make a knot like this. So as you see here, I'm attaching other threads to basket, keeping equal distance between threads. Begin by the center thread. I'm making a knot on the other end of this thread. As you see that I'm using a hot glue gun here to stick these seashells. Once you're done with the center thread, make sure here these two threads should be at same length. Just to add colors on that plain wall, I'm going to paint this basket and not going to hang this directly. So the colors I'm using here are all acrylic colors, and using all the bright colors here like green, red, yellow. The design pattern that I'm using here, it's totally random. You can use any design patterns of your choice. Here is the final reveal. Hanging baskets on wall is a great idea. I installed this decorative basket on my balcony's wall, and it looks really pretty. To hang this basket, I used double-sided tape because it's very light in weight. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll see you all soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.